Hi everyone, my name is Shahbaz Ahmed Kazi. I am a student of Babu Banarsi Das Engineering College from Computer Science and Engineering stream, fourth year. I am here to present my seminar on topic blockchain. My seminar coordinator is Miss Alka Singh, Associate Professor in Babu Banarsi Das Engineering College of CSC Department. Okay, the history of Bitcoin actually. The first work on a cryptographically secured chain of block was described in 1991 by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta. They wanted to implement a system where document timestamps could not be tampered with. In 1992, Haber, Stornetta, and Dave Baer incorporated Merkle trees to the design, which improve its efficiency by allowing several document certificates to be collected into one block. The first blockchain was conceptualized by the person known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Nakamoto improved the design in an important way using a hash cache like method to timestamp blocks without requiring them to be signed by a trusted party and introducing a difficulty parameter to stabilize rate with which block are added to the chain. The design was implemented the following year of Nakamoto as a core component of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, where it serves as the public ledger for all transactions on the network. In August 2014, the Bitcoin blockchain file size contained records of all transactions that have occurred on a network reaches to 20 GB gigabytes almost. In January 2015, the size had grown almost 30 GB, and from January 2016 to January 2017, the Bitcoin blockchain grew up from 50 to 100 GB in size. The ledger size had exceeded 200 GB by early 2020. The works block and chain were used separately in Satoshi Nakamoto original paper, but were eventually popularized as a single word blockchain by 2016. And in next slide, Bitcoin does not equal to blockchain. It's been it's mean Bitcoin is a currency and a system that uses a blockchain as underlying data structure, which can be used for many things, including cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is the underlying data structure which can be used for many things. As we said, I sorry, repeat this question, repeat the line. The next question, what is blockchain? A blockchain is a data structure which is a growing list of data blocks. The data blocks are linked together such that old blocks cannot be removed or altered. Bitcoin ecosystem. A Bitcoin ecosystem contains a public networks in which anyone, including a malicious participants, can participate without restrictions. The amazing breakthrough that come with a Bitcoin is that although malicious participants can participate, the system works without a regulator. Bitcoin ecosystem is a self-stabilizing. The more participants the system has, the more difficult manipulations become, and the more difficult manipulations become, and the more participants there are, the greater the demand for bitcoins. This results in a price increase, which in turn attracts new participants, cutting the middleman. Actually, this is a very advantage of this blockchain technology. Makes a middleman, so-called trusted third parties, obsolete in many applications. Bitcoin can serve as an example here. Bitcoin are not routed via a central instances. Example, a bank, but can be transferred directly between the parties. Building consensus. Blockchain technology has a wide range of applications for consensus building. We know that. In a finite time frame, all participants of blockchain agreed on a proposal, which was worked out by a benign participants at Bitcoin. For example, all participants agree on who owns how many Bitcoins, but many applications are also conceivable in industry, creating witnesses. Finally, the public blockchain can also be used for automated creations of witnesses. If something is published on a public blockchain, all participants become witnesses. This is used, for example, by original stamp to create a secure timestamp for documents. Key features. The public blockchain has some characteristics features. First, write only, immutable, transparent data storage. The next one is second, decentralized. No need for intermediaries. The third one is consistent state across all participants. Fourth, resistance against malicious participants. Fifth, open to everyone. Challenges. Although blockchain technology has a strong disruptive power and can change many areas of our daily lives, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed. The high energy consumptions, Bitcoin use a lot of energy. The scalability issue, Bitcoin supports far less transaction per second than example Visa. It opens up possibilities for many in laundering. Some blockchains as Monero are anonymous. The question remains as to how far we want to bypass the middleman. Often he can also protect us. Example, a bank can a bank can protect us to the extent that we do not transfer the money to the wrong person. There are the references. With the help of these references, I'll discuss about the blockchain and all. That's it. Thank you so much.